Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever scrolled through social media and been mesmerized by people who just ooze effortless class? They might not be wearing the latest trends, but they have a certain je ne sais quoi, a timeless elegance that sets them apart. Well, that, my friends, is the magic of old money. Forget the flashy cars and designer logos you might associate with wealth. Old money is about a deeper philosophy, a way of life that prioritizes quality, heritage, and a quiet confidence. It's not about showing off, but about knowing your worth and carrying yourself with grace. In this video, we'll unveil the 10 secrets of old money, the unspoken rules that cultivate that timeless elegance. Whether you come from a family fortune or are simply looking to elevate your own style, these tips will help you unlock the secrets of old money living. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to step into a world of sophistication. Number 10. Whisper, don't shout. Those who embody the old money aesthetic understand the power of subtlety. They avoid excessive displays of wealth or bragging about their accomplishments. Their confidence comes from within, not from external validation. They know true class speaks for itself, and they let their actions do the talking. Number 9. Invest in experiences, not things. Old money prioritizes experiences over material possessions. They'd rather travel the world, learn a new language, or immerse themselves in a different culture than own the latest gadget. These experiences broaden their horizons and create lasting memories, becoming cherished stories to share for years to come. Number 8. Patience is a virtue. Instant gratification isn't part of the old money vocabulary. They understand that quality takes time, and they're willing to invest in long-term projects and goals. They believe in delayed gratification, knowing that the best things in life are worth waiting for. Number 7. The power of no. Setting boundaries and saying no is a strength, not a weakness, for those with old money sensibilities. They value their time and energy, and they're not afraid to politely decline commitments that don't align with their priorities. This allows them to focus on things that truly matter to them. Number 6. The art of conversation. Old money individuals are masters of conversation. They're not just waiting for their turn to speak, but actively listening and engaging with others. They ask thoughtful questions, show genuine interest in others' lives, and can hold their own on a variety of topics. This makes them captivating company and allows them to build meaningful connections. Number 5. Quality over quantity. This principle applies to everything in the old money world, from their possessions to their relationships. They invest in well-made, timeless pieces that will last a lifetime, rather than accumulating a collection of cheap, trendy items. Similarly, they value deep, meaningful relationships over a wide circle of superficial acquaintances. Number 4. Discretion is key. Those with old money sensibilities understand the power of privacy. They'd avoid putting their lives on display or oversharing on social media. Their wealth and accomplishments are not their defining characteristics, and they don't feel the need to constantly validate themselves through external validation. Number 3. Tradition matters. Old money families often cherish traditions, whether it's a yearly vacation to the same beach house or a special family recipe passed down through generations. These traditions create a sense of belonging and connection to their history. They're not afraid to embrace the past while still looking forward to the future. Number 2. Give back to your community. Philanthropy is a cornerstone of the old money philosophy. They believe in giving back to their communities and supporting causes they care about. Their generosity isn't about seeking recognition, but about making a positive impact on the world around them. Number 1. Invest in yourself. The most valuable investment anyone can make is in themselves. The old money set prioritizes education, personal growth, and lifelong learning. They're constantly seeking new knowledge and experiences, which keeps them intellectually stimulated and interesting company. This investment in themselves empowers them to live a rich and fulfilling life. And there you have it, all 10 secrets of old money living. While these principles originated from families with long-standing wealth, the essence of old money is truly about cultivating a timeless elegance that transcends your bank account. It's about living with purpose, appreciating quality, and carrying yourself with grace. Remember, you don't need a family fortune to embrace the old money philosophy. Start by incorporating a few of these secrets into your life and watch as your confidence and sophistication naturally grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on lifestyle, personal development, and achieving your best self. Until next time, live with intention and a sprinkle of old money magic.